How to fix erection problems with food top tips. Believe it or not, what you eat can have an impact on your performance. We're diving deep into the science behind these foods, and I'm giving you my top tips to get back in the game naturally. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about nitric oxide. Health benefits. Next up, we're talking antioxidants. These powerful compounds fight off damage from harmful free radicals in your body. Berries and pomegranate are like antioxidant superheroes, protecting your blood vessels. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they're all fantastic choices. Pomegranate is another winner. Enjoy it as juice, sprinkle the seeds on your salad, or eat it straight up. A diet rich in antioxidants supports healthy blood flow and better performance. A healthy heart is directly related to your performance. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve blood flow. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3s. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Make it a regular part of your diet and your heart and everything else will thank you. Let's talk about snacks. When hunger strikes between meals, it's easy to reach for something quick and unhealthy. But what if you could snack smart and fuel your body at the same time? Nuts and seeds are packed with nutrients like zinc, L-arginine, and healthy fats essential for testosterone production and blood flow. These tiny powerhouses are not just tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your overall health. Almonds, walnuts, Brazil nuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, the options are endless. Each type of nut and seed brings its own unique set of nutrients to the table, making them a versatile addition to your diet. Keep a mix of these on hand for a quick and easy snack throughout the day. Whether you're at work, on the go, or just relaxing at home, having a variety of nuts and seeds within reach can help you make healthier choices. You'll be satisfying your hunger and giving your body the building blocks it needs for optimal performance. So next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of nuts and seeds. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll feel more energized and focused throughout the day. Who doesn't love adding a little flavor to their food? Spices can transform a simple dish into a culinary masterpiece, making every bite a delightful experience. Garlic is a natural blood thinner, reducing plaque buildup in your arteries and improving blood flow. It's not just a flavor enhancer, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which enhances circulation and releases endorphins. This compound not only adds heat to your meals but also boosts your mood and metabolism. Add garlic to your stir-fries and you'll not only enjoy a burst of flavor but also reap cardiovascular benefits. Sprinkle chili flakes on your pasta and you'll get a spicy kick that can elevate a simple dish to a gourmet level. Or, try a spicy chili recipe. The combination of beans, meat, and spices creates a hearty meal that's both satisfying and nutritious. Your taste buds and everything else will thank you. The joy of eating flavorful food is unmatched, and the health benefits are a fantastic bonus. Spice things up in the kitchen for better performance. Whether you're cooking for yourself or loved ones, adding garlic and chili can make your meals more exciting and beneficial. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and performance. Dehydration can lead to reduced blood volume, fatigue, and headaches. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Now let's talk about alcohol. While a glass of red wine can be beneficial, excessive alcohol can lead to dehydration and lower testosterone levels. Balance is key. Stay hydrated and limit alcohol for optimal performance. Processed foods and sugary drinks are loaded with unhealthy fats, added sugars, and sodium. They contribute to weight gain, increase your risk of heart disease and diabetes, and negatively impact blood flow. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. So there you have it. my top tips for improving your performance naturally through the power of food. By incorporating these foods into your diet and making healthy lifestyle choices, you can improve your blood flow, boost your testosterone levels, and feel more confident. Stay healthy, my friends.